Hi. So for religion, for the next 2 days, you have the following assignment, and that's to look through this Lent and Holy Week unit PowerPoint presentation, which is a PDF. It's not really a PowerPoint. And as you go through each presentation, each part, you'll take notes on your note-taking sheet. And let me show you and remind you what that looks like and where you need to do your work. All right, so next to the video, you will find this document that's called Holy Thursday and Good Friday Notes. You should have these notes, this note-taking packet in your purple folder, purple religion folder. It was something I gave you and we'd started before we left school. Let me show you the pages that you're required to do by Wednesday afternoon. You need to turn these pages in, pictures of the following pages. So all the notes about Holy Thursday, okay, that's this whole page. All the notes about Good Friday. So that starts right here on the bottom of this page, right below the Holy Thursday pages. And if for some reason you don't have these pages in your packet or you can't find them, that's why I put them here. If you need to just write in the blanks and number a blank sheet of paper to show me that you're learning about Holy Thursday and all these different Bible verses that go with Holy Thursday and Good Friday, you can do that as well. So you're responsible for all of Holy Thursday. Good Friday starts right here. All of Good Friday, which continues. Oh, it looks like one of these is cut off. I'll have to see if I can fix that. All of these, yeah, 56 is missing on this one. I'll see if I can fix that. All of these through this page and then on to, and here's 70 is also missing. I will work on that. This last page. Now, when you get here where it says Easter Vigil, Holy Saturday, we are not doing Holy Saturday yet. I think that Holy Thursday, these questions here, Good Friday, these questions here, and on to the third page is enough for now. After Easter, then we'll go back and we'll learn about Holy Saturday and we'll continue on to Easter Day. Okay, let me show you the PowerPoint again for a minute so that you can see how it's organized and how you can get all the information that you need. Okay, so pay attention. This next part is going to be really important and is going to help you a lot. All right, so now I'm back to the presentation, which is called Holy Thursday and Good Friday PPT, PowerPoint, which is not actually a PowerPoint, but it was originally. And on your note-taking sheet, it asks you to summarize a lot of different Bible verses. So as you go through this PowerPoint, you will see here, 49, summarize Matthew 26, chapter 26, verses 17 through 25. I've taken the time to put those Bible verses, the exact chapter and verses that you need to answer that question on the slide that it is located on. So as you get to 49, you'll see that you had to summarize this, and there it is. Matthew chapter 26, verses 17 through 25 of one version of a Bible. There's lots of different versions, and yours might be slightly different if you looked it up in your Bible at home, but I have them all in here for you. So you can read through this, and then let me give you a hint. The slide directly after this one where it says summarize Matthew 26, 17 through 25, or whatever Bible verse it is, directly after it, it kind of summarizes it for you. Please do not use these exact words, but if you're stuck, if you're not really sure what it was talking about, because I know a lot of times in the Bible verses, the language is different, it's a little difficult to understand. They summarize it here very, very briefly for you on the next slide, okay? So use this as a tool to help you figure out what that Bible verse was talking about in a way that you can summarize it. So that's the case about every single Bible verse. It's written here so you can read it. I do want you to take time to read it, and that's why I'm giving you 2 days to do this activity. These 20, 25 questions that you have to answer, because it's a lot of reading. And I know it gets confusing after a while and you kind of forget. So do it for a little while, do like 10 of them, take a break, go do something else, come back, do some more. But every time you see a Bible verse here, the next slide, the next page will give you a summary, a short summary, usually a 1-sentence summary about that Bible reading. So just know that those are there for you as a tool to help you. Please do not copy down exactly what is written here. Write it in your own words from what you understood the Bible verse is saying. That's what's important about this particular task, okay? You're learning about the Bible verses, and doing that requires you to do a little thinking, do a little reading, all right? And to understand the story, and the story of Jesus's Passion. It's called the Good Friday, where the day Jesus died, and then we'll continue this learning after Easter. So if I forget to tell you, have a blessed Easter. Do what you can to celebrate with your family. And like I said, this will be due Wednesday afternoon, even though it's an assignment for today. Take a picture of all your notes and submit those for credit. Thanks.